Tuesday. We are all checked out at the Wilderness Lodge. Makes me so sad. Our trip is coming to an end, but before it does, we have almost a full day at the Magic Kingdom. We don't have to leave for the airport until like 4 o'clock, so we are headed over there now. It is 10 o'clock. We have a fast pass at 10:30 for the Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, so we're gonna try to cram in as much as we can on this, our final day. A citrus swirl or an orange cream, and I opted for the orange cream. I got to taste both of them, but this just tasted much better, so I got the orange cream float. Okay, we've been in Magic Kingdom for like, I don't know, half an hour. It's been highly successful. We got an orange swirl float, which was really good, and I picked up this bad boy, which I had been looking for. It is a holiday mug with Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's not a refillable mug, it's just a mug, but I'm so excited that I got it. My husband and son are on Big Thunder Mountain. I decided not to go on it, but after this we are gonna power through. We only have like 4 hours here, 4.5 hours. After this, I think we're gonna run over and go do the Jungle Cruise, the Jingle Cruise. Oh, fireworks. And then we have a fast pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train and then Haunted Mansion, and we'll see what else we can fit in, and then that's the end of our trip. So it's been a good morning so far. We waited in line for Splash Mountain. This posted sign, okay, so let me back up. We had a fast pass yesterday. My son didn't want to go on it, so we didn't. And then the posted time for it today was 45 minutes. We waited 2 hours. Almost 2 hours. Totally not worth it. And my husband lost his sunglasses on the ride.
They had a good run.
So there's that too. Now we have a fast pass for Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. We're gonna hit that, grab something to eat, and move on from there. You did? Say hi.
Hi. Oh.
We got Brer Rabbit. Are we having fun? Yeah. We are at Sleepy Hallow, which is a counter service restaurant. It is kind of right next to the castle, right as you go into Liberty Square, I think it's called. And we are getting the chicken and waffles. We asked for slaw on the side. Neither one of us got slaw. And those are the chips, but it looks delicious. That chicken and waffle was delicious. It was pretty spicy. My mouth is still kind of burning. My husband says it wasn't that spicy. I think it was that spicy. It was delicious though, and I would definitely get it again. I think that the items that they have there change pretty regularly, but if you go by there and they have the chicken, this sweet and spicy chicken and waffles, definitely pick it up because it's something else.
We'll live happily ever after. Till death do us
A food that has been on my bucket list for quite a while and I haven't got it is the Cheshire Cat Tail, and I just picked one up. I can't wait to take a bite. This is it. This is delicious. It's like a donut with chocolate chip, like cookie dough almost inside of it with the frosting. Maybe it doesn't look that great, but it is tasty. I got it just outside of the Teacups of Mad Hatter's Tea Party in a little cafe called the Cheshire Cafe. Bye, Magic Kingdom. It's been fun. We are back at the Wilderness Lodge, waiting for the Tragical Express to take us to the airport. And overnight, all of the Christmas decorations at the Wilderness Lodge were taken down. And I had heard that the tree at the Grand Floridian was coming down today, and we did not make it over there to see it on this trip, which was a little bit disappointing. But I had heard that it was coming down today, and so I think maybe all the resorts took their decorations down. I'm gonna flip you around so you can see where it was. They haven't rearranged the furniture over there yet though. That is where the tree was, in the middle of the lobby. If you have never stayed at the Wilderness Lodge, I highly recommend it. It is probably our favorite resort. I do love the Grand Floridian, but the Wilderness Lodge is, with its proximity to the Magic Kingdom and just its homey feel, and the fact that it is a tower hotel, so it's much more compact as far as once you get down to the lobby, everything is there instead of having to walk like through buildings per se. And it just feels really nice and homey. We do love to stay here. This is the second time that we've stayed here, and it's also where we own for the Disney Vacation Club. After 6 days here, I'm pooped. We did like a pretty more than half day in the park today, which it was warm, and as the day went on it got a little bit crowded. We got to do almost everything we wanted to do. The only thing that we didn't get to do was the Jungle Cruise, which was had the overlay for Christmas, which was the Jingle Cruise. So I'm a little bit bummed about that, but we just ran out of time. So the Magical Express is coming to get us in about 25 minutes or so. So we're just sitting here relaxing, enjoying the resort, having something to drink, and waiting to go home.